Download the MyRide K-12 app in the Apple or Google Play Store. Open the MyRide K-12 app. Select Sign Up if you do not have an account. Log into your account with your email and password. If you don't have your student's information set up, select the Add Student button. Enter your student's ID number and select Next. Enter your student's first name and select Next. Enter your student's last name and select Next. You will now be able to see your student's bus information. Repeat this process if you have multiple students. Select Bus Location. Here, you can view your student's bus route and a live view of their bus. Select the menu in the upper left corner to go back to the home page. Select Details. Here you can view your details about your student's bus information, including schedules for pickup and drop-off, personal information, and what your student has scanned onto the bus. You can message the Transportation Department with questions or concerns in the Message Center, found in the menu in the upper left. In the Receive tab, you will find previous notifications sent by the Transportation Department. In the Send tab, you will find previous messages sent by you, and you can create a new message. Select the New button. Select the category of your message. Select the student your message is regarding. Write your question or concern. Select Send Message.